we are doing our fifth chapter, arithmetic progression. In previous video, we have completed our exercise 5.1. In that exercise, we come to learn whether given situation or given questions are forming AP or not. We come to learn how to find first term and common difference of an AP. Now, in this video, we will learn to find nth term of an AP. About nth term, we have studied in basic term also, but in this video, in today's class, what we will learn? We will learn to find nth term using formula. First of all, I will tell you how this formula comes, and means we will learn derivation of the formula for the nth term of an AP. Now, if an AP is given and A is the first term the AP and D is the common difference, हमारे पास जो फर्स्ट टर्म है वो क्या है? A and D is the common difference. D उसका common difference है. Then how we will find nth term? Yes, let's see beta. We represent first term by A1, and what is given here? A is the first term, then A1 will equal to A. Now, second term. We have learnt in previous exercise also how we have to find next term if first term and common difference is given. Then A2 will equal to common difference plus its preceding term. Here preceding term is A1 and we represent A1 by A. So A2 will equal to A plus D. Yes dear students, हमें A2 कैसे निकालना है? कैसे हमें पता लगेगा कि हम A2 को कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? A2 will equal to, how we will find A2 beta? When we add this common difference in given term. Given term is our A1. Given terms means in previous term, and here previous term is A1, and this A1 is equal to A because it is given A is the first term. Then A2 will equal to A plus D. Now we have to find third term, A3. This A3 will equal to A2 plus D. And what is the value of A2? A plus D. And 1 D is here. Then it will equal to A plus 2D. And what is it? It is the value of A3. Now, A4. How we will find A4? A3 plus D. What is the value of A3? A plus 2D plus D. Then it will equal to A plus 2 plus 1, 3D. What is it? A4. Now what we are observing, if we are finding A2, then how many times is D comes? 1 time. And in A3, what we are observing, if we are finding third term A3, then it is equal to A plus 2D, means A is first term and twice of common difference. Now in A4, what we are observing, it is equal to A plus 3D, means first term plus 3 times of common difference. यहाँ से हम क्या ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं? जो भी हम फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं वो किसके इक्वल है? A प्लस जो टर्म फाइंड आउट करनी है उसमें से 1 माइनस करके अगर हम D से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हमें गिवन जो रिक्वायर्ड टर्म है वो मिल रही है. नाउ if we want to find an, then this an will equal to A is first term plus if 4 is there then 3 is coming, if 3 is there then 2 is coming, if 2 is there then 1 is coming with D. Then if n is there then what will come? N minus 1 into D. This is the formula for nth term. Here n is nth term of the AP. यहाँ जो है n क्या है? nth term of the AP. And A, what is given? It is first term. Here n, what we mean by n? Number difference. Yes beta, this is our formula. What is our nth term of an AP? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is our formula where An is the nth term, A is the first term, n is the number of terms and D is the common difference. Now, based on this formula, we will start our exercise 5.2 and question number 1. In question number 1, what is given? A table is given. Here, A, D, N or An. 4 values are there. An, A, N and D. 4 values are there in this formula. Now, in this table, 3 values are given and we have to find 4th missing value. What we will do? We will use this formula. And what is our formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, this is our formula. One more thing. What we have studied, An is the nth term of the AP. We represent this An by L also. हम इस An को L से भी represent करते हैं and we call it as last term. Where L is last term. An can be represented by L also and L is called last term of the AP. This is our formula for finding the nth term of the AP. Now let's see some questions. Now question number 1 of exercise 5.2. What is given? Fill in the blanks. We have to fill the blanks. Given that A is its first term, D is common difference, N is number of terms and An is its nth term. Now we will use this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Using this formula, we have to find missing values. Let's see question number 1. First part. In first part, what is given? A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8. And what we have to find? We have to find An means nth term of the AP. हमें यहाँ An की value find out करनी है. How we will find this An beta? Here we got the formula and An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. Now in this formula we will put these values only. Then what is the value of n? 8. So we have to find the value of A8. Then A plus n means 8 minus 1 into D. A8 is equal to A plus 7D. This we have studied. When we are finding the value of A3. जब हम A3 की value find out करते हैं, then A3 is equal to A plus 2D. In the same way, A8 is equal to A plus 7D. Now, putting the value of A and D, what is the value of A? 7 plus 7 into D. What is the value of D? 3. A8. A8 is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21. A8 is equal to 21 plus 7, 28. This is the 8th term of the AP. This is our first part. Now, let's see its next part. Before starting next part, let us revise this part again. What is given? A. A is equal to 7. D. D is equal to 3. N. N is equal to 8. And we have to find the value of An. We know that An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, putting these values, what is n? 8. So, we have to find A8. Means हमने यहाँ पर AP की 8th term find out करनी है. Then A8 will equal to A plus 8 minus 1 into D. Means A plus 7D. Now, what is the value of A? 7. What is the value of D? 3. On putting these values, we will get the solution. Means A8 is equal to 7 plus 21 means A8 is equal to 28. This is about first part of question number 1. Now let's see second part. What is given in second part? A is given. In second part A is equal to minus 18. हमें यहाँ पर A given है. Now D blank. We have to find the value of D. After this, n is equal to 10 and an is equal to 0. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, putting these values, what we will get? an is equal to 0. यहाँ भाई an क्या है? 0. What is the value of a? Minus 18 plus n is 10 minus 1. We have to find the value of d. किसकी value find out करनी है? d की. Now on solving what we will get? 0. This minus 18 will become plus 18. When we shift minus value from one side of equal to sign to other side, then sign will change. Plus change it into minus, minus change it into plus. So minus 18 is there. What we will get? Plus 18. Now equal to 10 minus 1, 9 into d. So 9d is equal to 18. Now d will equal to 18 divided by 9. So d is equal to 2. This is the common difference of this given AP. This is the second part of question number 1. Now it's third part. I will not solve all part. I will give you just hints of these remaining parts. What is given? A is blank. D is equal to minus 3. N is equal to 18. An is equal to minus 5. What we have to find? A means first term. हमें यहाँ फर्स्ट टर्म a की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. व्हाट इज गिवन? d आपको गिवन है -3, n is 18 and an means nth term is -5 and we know the formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. सिंपली हमें यहाँ क्या करना है? सभी वैल्यूज पुट करनी है. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड? a की वैल्यू हम सभी वैल्यूज पुट करने के बाद सॉल्यूशन के बाद हमें यहाँ से मिल जाएगी. नाउ do it yourself, dear students. Now it's fourth part. What is given? A is equal to minus 18.9. This is given. D is equal to 2.5. And we have to find. And an is equal to 3.6. 3.6 is given. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our formula. Now we will put these values in this formula. Given values are these. What is the value of an? 3.6. So 3.6 is equal to a is minus 18.9 minus 18.9 plus we have to find the value of n. Then n minus 1. What is the value of d? 2.5. So from here 3.6, this minus 18.9 will become plus 18.9 is equal to, on solving these what we will get? These two are in multiplication. When we multiply this n minus 1 by 2.5, we will get 2.5 and plus minus minus 2.5 into 1, 2.5. Now on solving these what we will get? 6 plus 9, 15, 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 1 carry, 22.5. This minus 2.5 will become plus 2.5 here and it is equal to 2.5 and on solving this what we will get? 25 and it is equal to 2.5 and from here 25 divided by 2.5. Now on solving what we will get? 25. From here 25 into 10. When we remove this decimal we will get 10 in numerator. numerator. Then 25, 25 cancel out. So n is equal to 10. This is the value of n, and n is number of terms. So in this question, number of terms are 10. This is our fourth part of question number 1. Now only for fifth part, in this a is given, d 0, number of terms are given, we have to find an. So dear students, try these questions, remaining parts of this question yourself. What we have done in this question, beta, we are having formula for nth term. हमें क्या given है? हमें nth term के लिए formula given है. And what are given? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is its first term. a क्या है यहाँ पर? इसकी first term, n number of terms, and d is its common difference. Using this formula, we have to find missing values in this question. This is our first question of exercise 5.2.